Good day, everybody. This is Robert Harper with Farm Bureau's Grain Division, bringing you the Merchandiser Minute for Friday, September 28th, 2018, where we're ending the week, the month, and the quarter all on the same day, nice and clean. When we look at the eye catchers this week, what caught our attention? We came into the week with a brand new round of tariffs going into place between us and China. We did get a revised trade deal with South Korea this week. Read into that a little bit. It's pretty interesting. And we did see the Federal Open Market Committee raise the interest rates again on Wednesday for the third time, taking the benchmark rate to its highest level since April of 2008. And they did give an indication that they will raise it a fourth time in December. China made a lot of news this week by saying how much land they were going to put into production in 2019, agricultural production. And we were waiting really throughout the week for today's USDA September 1 quarterly stocks report. What was in the bin on September the 1st? And we got those numbers at noon today. Wheat came in as the trade expected, 2.3 billion bushels in the bin, and that's up 5% from last year. The corn numbers came in just above trade expectation at 2.1 billion bushels in the bin. That's down 7% from last year, so another good indicator of the great demand picture for corn. However, on beans, we showed 438 million bushels in the bin. That was within the trade's expectation, but it's reflecting our situation with China in one way because that number is up 45% from last year. So how did the board do for the week? When you look at it overall, it was a quiet week for corn and beans. Even though we had some volatility today reacting to the stocks report, December corn closed at $3.56 for the week, down 1 penny. November soybeans, your new crop contract, closed at $8.45 for the week, up 1 penny. And soft wheat in Chicago, the nearby December contract closed at $5.09. That was down 13 cents for the week. USDA told us coming into this week also that corn in the country was 16% harvested. Beans were 14% harvested. We saw export loadings on Monday with corn and beans, both within expectation. The top destinations for those vessels were Japan, Mexico, and Egypt. The export sales report we had yesterday also showed some really good sales numbers, even without the presence of China. We had a very large soybean buyer listed as unknown. We've known for a couple weeks, and we've seen Argentina pick up their pace in buying U.S. beans, but this is unknown, and we don't know who they belong to. Looking at next week, same story. We need to be monitoring South American planting progress. We got to see how many acres they're going to get in the ground. That's going to affect your futures price going forward. We need to see if the combines can get back into the field, into the Corn Belt, as well as here in Virginia, and see how North American harvest progress goes. China, Canada, we're just watching it every week, hoping for something. New quarter, new money next week. We'll see where they want to invest it. And everybody stay safe out there. We hope you can get back into the field as the sun shines. Give us a call to discuss local basis. There's some opportunities out there. Again, this is Robert Harper with Farm Bureau's Grain Division.